Okay, we're given a graph of f of x. I see that clearly. It goes on to evaluate this limit over here. And I realize some students are confused by this. And I always say you live in interesting times where you may not have someone to ask, including your teachers, by the way. Your teachers might not be able to reason through this as well. So what you do is, I would say, a reliable source would be openai. I'm not going to say they're going to get it right, but I'm going to say it's certainly increasingly getting better at it. So what I want to do is I can go to OpenAI. That's ChatGPT, what most people call ChatGPT. It's easier for me to say OpenAI though. And what I want to do is upload that image to it, and I'm gonna ask it, could you? Let's see what I'm going to say. Could you do this problem? And then I'm gonna, let's see if I can upload an image here, and I have an image of it. I have an image of it, or a PDF. I'll put that in, see what it says. It says it's thinking, could you do this problem for me? I have a PDF image of it, thinking. And it says, great, I can do that. Please upload the PDF or an image of it. So I'm going to upload it, and I have to go over here and it says it'll take these formats over here. And gee, I guess I got to upload it, don't I? So how do I do that? I don't know. I guess go over here and let's see what this one over here, more actions. I have to do that. Share it. Up, down, copy. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my my desktop, and I got that image somewhere. I'm going to find it. Kind of messy over here, isn't it? And I'm looking for it. And I think I saved it to the desktop. I'm looking for it. No, I don't see it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my thing over here, and I'm wondering where that is, and let's see what it is. No, it does say it's on the desktop. It's limit problem.pdf, right? Let me go back over here, and limit problem.pdf. Oh, it's right there. What am I doing? So I'm going to copy it. I'm just going to do Command-C, go back to my my web and paste it in. I just pasted it in. Now I'm going to hit return, upload it. Let's see what happens. Let's see if it can handle it. I see the problem for me PDF, and given the graph, this is weird because it's giving me something that I wasn't expecting to see. Multiple choice answers, and it's saying that f of x is 1 over x squared. That's really bizarre. And look at the graph. Two values, 3 and 4, conclude. Boy, they got that wrong, didn't they? So I'm going to tell it got it wrong. You got the problem wrong. Or I should say my teacher told me that's not the right answer. Could you try again? It's thinking. Let's see if it comes back with a better response. And 3 and 4 is clearly not even a possibility because it's a limit problem. It has to be a unique number where it doesn't exist. It's thinking. Thinking. When it's thinking, I wonder really what it's doing, if it's just toying with me. I don't really think it's thinking. I think it's probably just simply it's not worth giving processor time to my question. It's analyzing it. It's seeing the image. That's the image I just gave it. And it's thinking again. Again, I think it's toying with it and say it's thinking. It's really not thinking. Not thinking in a human sense anyway. It's analyzing again. It's a thought now. It's thinking again. Boy, it's really telling you it's really doing a lot of work over here. It's overheating, so to speak. I'm not going to skip the thinking part, of course. I want to continue to work on the problem. It's taking much longer than the initial thing, which I would say if someone says you got a problem wrong, maybe it's time to put more time and effort into it. Okay, so it goes on and says, you're right to flag that. I misread the inside of f of x. the PDF shows this instead. And it's good, it did that. It said misread. And sometimes I'll misread things too and say, oh, thank you for letting me look at that again. So it says that the correct answer is 3 now, all right? Again, I'm not going to read through this over here, but I want to go through what the teacher said. All right, let me go through this over here. And this is a problem in my notes over here. It's problem 10,014. And I saw this on the internet. This comes from a calculus exam for high school students. And let's take a look. The correct answer is 3. Again, my reasoning, I actually write down some notation over here, their reasoning. And again, it's important you start to realize that accessing an AI system may in fact improve your educational outcomes, all right? In other words, you're interacting with someone who's actually willing to give some thought to a problem. And I'm glad they gave it, rethinking. They misread the original problem and they rethought, and that's good. I'm glad to do that. And I'm glad to allow students to rethink problems too. Thank you.